given the triangle and they give you side A, B, and C, we need to be able to find angle A. And notice that we have multiple choice. We have 4 options. In this case, because they give me all 3 sides, I must use the law of cosines, since this might not be a right triangle, and it's not a right triangle. So therefore, I'm going to use my law of cosines, which is a squared is equal to the other 2 sides. And I'm going to start with side A, because I'm looking for angle A, so therefore the last one will be angle A. So if you start with A, your last angle will be A as well. So we have A squared, then I'm going to use the other 2, B squared minus plus C squared minus 2, they repeat BC, and the cosine of the angle in between, which is angle A. And I'm going to substitute 17 squared is equal to 16 squared plus 13 squared minus 2, 16, 13, and the cosine of the angle in between, which is A. And that's what I'm looking for. So the only thing that I have left as a variable is A. Now be careful. There's some of you that are typing in this whole thing into the calculator. You can't. So I can simplify the 17 squared. I can combine 16 squared plus 13 squared, or you can simplify and then add them. And then I'll multiply this together with my calculator. So in this case, 17 squared will be 289. 16 squared, and you'll have a calculator for this problem. 256 plus 13. 169 minus 2 times 16 times 13 will be 416, and the cosine of A. As I mentioned, I can combine those 2 numbers, but you can't subtract the 416 because the 416 and the cosine are multiplying. So therefore 256 plus 169 is 425. So it gives me 289 equal to 425 minus 416 cosine of A. And now I need to be able to leave the cosine of A by itself. So therefore I'm going to move the 425 to the left. Becomes a negative 425. That gives you negative 136 equal to negative 416 cosine of A. And now I'm going to divide by negative 416 on both sides. And that gives you cosine of A is equal to 0.3269, so on. I'm going to leave it in my calculator. I'm not going to delete it. So now that I have that in my calculator, I'm just going to use my cosine inverse, and I'm going to use my result or your answer, and therefore it gives me 70.9. So A is equal to 70.9 degrees, or in this case will be 71. Your answer will be B.